Hey, welcome to our channel. How are you guys? Hope you all are fine. If you like our videos, then share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Samsung has announced to its investors that it will start production of second-gen 3nm chips in H2 2024 and an upgraded version of the 4nm chips, SF4X, in the same year. Both of these fabrication technologies are expected to improve Samsung's competitive position and allow Samsung to create new types of product. Samsung will strengthen its technology competitiveness by 2H mass producing the second-gen 3nm process and the fourth-gen 4nm process for high-performance computing, HPC. It should be noted that Samsung's new SF3 process is a significant upgrade to its current SF3E production node. According to Samsung, SF3 chips offer significant improvements compared to SF4 chips in terms of performance, power consumption, and logic area. As mobile demand recovers, the market is expected to move to growth. For advanced processes, Samsung plans to expand into applications such as high-performance computing, HPC, automotive, consumer goods, etc. by developing advanced process technologies, such as RF and EMRAM.